Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove audio from your video in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, so let's jump into it. So as you can see, we are in canva.com, and what we're going to do is we are going to come over and we are going to press on video. So we're just going to start with a blank template. And then once that's loaded, we are then going to come over to the left hand side, press on the uploads button, come along and press on the videos button there. And then you can see we have got one of the videos here that I have done. So I'm just going to give that a click. Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name. Amazing. Okay, so to get rid of the audio, what we're going to do is we're going to come up to the top and you can see we've got this speaker button here that says audio. So if we give that a click, and then what you can do is press on this speaker button, and as you can see, it says mute. So there we go, we've done that. And then if we come down, you can see, we play it from the beginning, we have got no volume at all whatsoever. And then you can see if I unmute it, press play. Hey guys, and welcome to. We have got the volume back again. So that is it, guys. A really super simple one for you guys today. I really hope that you found it useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will catch you guys in the next one.